Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, April 21st. Well, we had some volatility in these indices. The Russell kind of backed off a bit, very neutral. The market's waiting for some information coming out of relief package in Washington. It's in the Senate. I think if that, and they're expecting Tuesday to have a vote, that gets passed. I think it's a little shot in the arm for the market. Some of the projections we're seeing from companies aren't real optimistic, but when it comes to that, it's expected, right? Things have throttled down. So to expect good earnings from a lot of companies, it's kind of not realistic. But I think it's all in alignment with what it should be. Let's take a look at the Swissy. Swissy's very neutral. If buyers were here, we should have seen them on Monday. We did not. This is Asia that you're seeing here right now. I'm looking for a sideways move in this market. And when it comes to interest rates, I thought they would be up so much because of what we're seeing in the stock market. It really didn't happen. Again, this is Asia. I'm looking for an unchanged type day to lower in that market. And in metals, copper traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change, just to give you a reference, is $2,750 a contract. I'm looking for unchanged to lower in that market as well. Now, crude oil is the talk of the day. Before we get to that, nat gas traded just a little bit below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in that market is $400 a contract. But then look what happened. If we were a seller here, it immediately failed as it rallied up. I was very surprised by seeing this. This is Asia, and I'm looking for an inside day in that market. Now, let's talk about crude oil. That's the June contract you're looking at. But the talk is right here with the May contract that's expiring. What you're seeing here is expiration that's making history. We've never had this kind of movement. As the futures market closes, it'll move towards cash prices. And this kind of action is unprecedented. So what are we looking for here? Right now, Asia's opened up. It's opened up stronger. It's still in negative territory in that marketplace. I do look for a rally because reality's not down here. It's where the June contract is showing us. You know, June here is above $20 a barrel. And that's probably about where we should be in the low 20s. Could we go lower? Absolutely. Wouldn't be surprised to see that at all. In this contract, I'm looking for an inside type day. Let's move on over to the grains. And wheat traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here in that market is $650 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside day in the wheat market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, stay well and